In this walkthrough, we will talk about standard texts and instructions that we can use on consignments. I will start in our documentation website and go to Getting Started and walk through topics where we can read about instructions and texts. So as you can see, we can use standard text. We can also use free text and instructions defined on customers, vendors, and so forth. Standard text is a standard feature in Business Central, but we have something called standard text rules that decides when to apply a standard text on a consignment and what kind of instruction it should be. So let's take a look at the standard text rules. I'll go to the Role Explorer and the Delivery Role Center, and under Setup and Texts, we will find standard text codes. We can take a look at that first. I've created one for DHL, which should be a DHL carrier instruction, and it has some extended text. Looking like this. Okay, so when to apply this one then? Well, if we go back to the role center for delivery and open up the text rules, I can create a rule that says that every time we use DHL on a consignment, regardless of shipping agent service code or source type or source number, want to create carrier instructions based on my standard text code. So let's see if that works. I'll create a consignment for customer 10,000, which has DHL as shipping agent code, and I should find carrier instructions here. So, okay, that's great. Let's also take a look at instructions defined on a customer. So let's use the same customer, 10,000, and take a look at the related information. Under delivery, we will find instructions. So here I have set up two instruction lines as delivery instructions. If we take a look at the free texts, we have two free text lines. So let's go ahead and create a sales order. These settings from the customer will be copied to the sales order. So if you go to the related and delivery and instructions, you will find these two instruction lines and you will find the free texts. And we can also edit this on this sales order. So I added two more lines here. And if I create a consignment from this sales order, actions, delivery, create consignment, you will see that the instructions we have here will respect the changes that I did on free text. Okay. So here we got the free text that I added on the sales order. And we also got the other data that was brought from the customer card to the sales order. So that was all about instructions. And well, depending on which carrier you use and how the label design is designed, these instructions and text can appear on the labels. Thank you.